In Lesson 9.5, we're going to use tables, rules, and graphs to solve some problems. So let's take a look at the first example here. The table shows the relationship between gallons input and quarts output. The rule y equals 4x, so that's helpful, where x represents the number of gallons and y represents the number of quarts. So gallons is my x, and over here we're doing 4 times x. Graph the relationship. Graph gallons on the horizontal, so they did that, and quarts on the vertical. Draw a line through the points. So they already plotted the points for us. But if you have 1 gallon, 4 times 1 is 4. 2 gallons, 4 times 2 is 8. 3 gallons, 4 times 3 is 12. So you can see that 3, here's the dot, it's at 12. And 4 times 4 is 16, and at 4, we're up here, which is 16. Okay, so now in quick check number 1, they gave you a table. You just have to plot the points. So just label your input goes on the bottom. So you're going to say input, that's your x, output, that's your y, and just label your numbers. Here's 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, you have to get all the way up to 9, but we didn't give you that many, so you'll have to start with 0, then go up by the same amount. So you can go up by 2s if you want, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and just figure out where these numbers would fall. Plot yourself 4 dots and connect them. Okay? Try that, and when you're ready, move on. In the next example, we have a word problem here. After 1 week, a 1-inch seedling grows to 3 inches. The second week, its height is 5 inches, and the third week, its height is 7 inches. Write and graph a rule to find the height of the plant in week 4. So, the words, they tell us that the height equals something times the amount of weeks plus 1. So if I look, it's going to be 2 times the amount of weeks plus 1. So I'm going to say H for height, W for weeks. So the height is 2 times the weeks plus 1. So in here, they put the week number first. So week times 2 plus 1. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 gives me that 7. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So you can see 4, here's 4, go over, it's between 8 and 10, which would be 9. So the height of the plant in week 4 is 9, what are these, inches. Okay, so now you can try quick check number 2. You're going to make a table for how many hours, and you're going 60 miles per hour. Write and graph a rule so that you can answer how many miles you travel in 4.5 hours. Okay, so try that quick check, and we'll check your work in class.